I don't know about you, but me, I cannot get enough of some chicken wings. And today, I'm gonna show you how to make some delicious honey, garlic, glazed chicken wings. I know you see the drip on the screen right now. These are so good, so sticky, icky, and delicious, guys. Super easy to make. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave a like for your boy, as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. So we're gonna be using about 2 to 2.5 pounds of chicken wings, and we're gonna just start off by drizzling a little bit of olive oil on these bad boys, then taking these hands and getting them all mixed up, guys. Don't be scared to get dirty. Get them hands up in there, get them all nice and mixed up. After that, we're gonna grab our dry seasoning. In a second here, you're gonna see the seasonings pop up on the screen as far as the exact list of what you're gonna need in the measurements, and we're just gonna drop this on top of the chicken wings. And again, grab these hands and get them all mixed up. Make sure they are well coated, because you know the motto, ain't no bland chicken over her. Even though you're gonna have a nice and delicious sauce on these chicken wings, you don't want to just go with just regular salt and pepper, baby. These things got to be seasoned up proper. You know what I'm talking about? Go crazy. Don't be scared. We got to season them up real good. Moving on, we're going to grab our pan and we're going to just lay some aluminum foil down there just to make it a nice and easy cleanup when we're all said and done. Then I'm going to lay our little grate right on top, grab our non-stick spray, and have that thing sprayed up real good, because we don't want that chicken sticking to it. We want everything to be nice and easy. And at this point, you kind of want to already have your oven preheating at 400 degrees, have them ready to go. Once you have everything all sprayed up and non-sticky, we're gonna go ahead and grab our chicken out the bowl and just lay it right up on there. Once we have that taken care of, we can move on and toss these in the oven. And let me know down in the comments, is it flats or is it drums? I know me personally, I love me some flats, all right? So we're gonna bake these at 400 degrees for a total of 40 minutes. So we're gonna do 20 minutes on the first side, then we're gonna do 20 minutes on the second side. And right now, this is halfway through the cooking process. This is 20 minutes in, and I'm just giving them a nice little flip. Once I have them all flipped over, we're gonna toss them right back in the oven for the remaining 20 minutes so they can finish up and get right. We are going to move on to that sticky, icky glaze on the screen here. I have a list of all the ingredients you're gonna be using to make that sticky icky glaze. That honey garlic glaze. All right, guys, so you're just gonna grab all these ingredients, combine them into this bowl. Once you have them all in this bowl, you're gonna give them a nice little mix. And guys, when I tell you this recipe is a breeze, I absolutely mean it. It takes almost no time to get this going. It's super easy. Very little mess, very little cleanup, and it's so delicious. This is one of my favorites when it comes to chicken wings. It is so good, guys. You are going to absolutely love this dish once you try it. I guarantee it. You ain't gonna have nothing but bones left on them plates. I'm telling you. All right, guys, once we have that sauce mixed up, we're gonna grab our chicken wings up out of the oven, put them in this bowl, and we're gonna toss all that glaze. Look at that glaze. Oh my goodness. We're gonna toss all that glaze on top of our chicken wings and get them all tossed up just like so. And we are not done yet. We want those chicken wings to be super sticky, icky, icky, icky. So what we're gonna do is grab these chicken wings and lay them right back onto the grate, and we're just gonna broil them for just about a minute. You're gonna put your oven on broil, keep an eye on them, because broil gets very hot, things can burn, and you wanna leave them in there for about a minute. We just want them to be sticky, icky, icky. Give them that nice color, guys, and to do that, you're gonna wanna toss them in the oven. It's really quick, only for about a minute. Once you're done, you're gonna grab your beautiful plate, and then you're gonna pile up these bad boys as high as you can pile them up. Make a mountain of chicken wings, guys. Just pile them up, and you're gonna have glaze left in that original bowl that we just took the chicken wings out of. You're gonna have a bunch of glaze. You don't want to waste that glaze, guys. That glaze is everything. You cannot waste this glaze. You're gonna grab that glaze and you're gonna pour it on top of the chicken wings. And this part is optional, guys, but I think it adds a beautiful presentation. This is just some dried parsley that I sprinkled on top. It makes it nice and beautiful. And like I said, you're gonna have a bunch of glaze left. You don't waste that glaze, guys. You grab that glaze and you drizzle it on top of your chicken wings, just like so. Oh my goodness. Is this beautiful or is it not beautiful? Does this look delicious or does it not look delicious? Oh my goodness. This is like I said, one of my favorite wings to make. Honey garlic glazed chicken wings. Let me say that one more time. Honey garlic glazed chicken wings. Come on now. Super delicious, super easy, guys. You're gonna absolutely love this dish. I really hope all you guys enjoyed watching this video. I enjoyed making it, and I sure as well enjoyed eating it. So I will definitely see you guys on the next video. It's your boy, Whip It Up with Jay, and I'm out.